Hi, everyone. Do you want to improve your English conversation every day? Today, we will talk about something very important for learners: how practice helps your conversations grow. Welcome back to the Daily English Mentor. I am Sarah, and I am very happy to see you again. Today, we will explore simple ways to practice English and make your conversations better step by step. Do you sometimes feel nervous when you speak English? Maybe you know many words and grammar rules, but when you try to talk, it feels difficult. You are not alone. Many learners feel the same. The good news is, you can improve your conversation skills with practice. Practice is the key. Every time you speak, you get better. Even small practice every day can make a big difference over time. Let's start with why conversation is important. When you speak English, it is not only about words. It is about sharing ideas, connecting with people, and expressing yourself. You can know grammar rules and vocabulary, but if you cannot talk with someone, it is hard to communicate. This is why learning how to have a conversation is very important. And the best way to do it is through regular practice. Now, you may ask, Sarah, how can I practice conversations? Don't worry. I will give you 5 simple ways to practice and improve your English conversation. 1. Start with small talk. Small talk is short, everyday conversation. You can talk about your day or simple topics like the weather or food. Small talk helps you start conversations naturally. When you practice small talk every day, your confidence grows, and your conversation skills improve little by little. 2. Ask questions. Questions are the key to good conversations. When you ask questions, the other person talks, and you can listen and respond. Try to ask open questions, not only yes or no. Open questions give more words, ideas, and opportunities to practice your English. The more you practice asking questions, the more your conversation skills grow. 3. Listen carefully. A good conversation is not only about talking, it is also about listening. When you listen carefully, you understand the other person and can answer naturally. Listening makes your conversation smooth. When you practice listening every day, your understanding improves and your conversation becomes better. 4. Use simple words. Many learners try to use difficult words, but this can make conversations slow or confusing. Simple words are better. Simple words are easy to understand, and your conversations are more natural. By practicing simple words in daily conversations, your confidence grows, and your ability to communicate improves. 5. Practice with a partner or AI. You can practice English conversations with a friend, a teacher, or even an AI program. Practicing conversations regularly is very important. The more you practice, the faster your conversation skills improve. Practice helps your brain remember words, sentences, and natural conversation patterns. Now, let's talk about how to make conversations better. First, share your ideas and thoughts. Don't be afraid to talk about yourself, your hobbies, or your day. People like to hear your thoughts. Second, ask for opinions. Asking opinions makes conversations interesting. Third, talk about your feelings. Sharing feelings is natural and helps people connect with you. By practicing storytelling, asking opinions, and talking about feelings, your conversation skills grow every day. Another important tip is to learn conversation patterns. English has common phrases that people use every day. Learning these patterns helps you respond quickly and confidently. By practicing these patterns regularly, your conversations will become more natural and your confidence will grow. Let's talk about different situations for conversations. First, at school or work, you can talk about your day or plans. Second, in a restaurant or store, you can order or ask simple questions. Third, while traveling, you can ask for directions or information. Practicing different situations makes your English ready for real life. Every practice helps your conversation skills improve. Another great tip is to practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot. Small daily practice is better than one big practice. Consistent practice is the secret to improving conversations. Also remember that body language is part of conversation. When you smile, nod, or use hand gestures, your conversation is better. Even if you speak simple English, good body language makes you confident. Practicing gestures with your words will make your conversations natural and enjoyable. Now, let's summarize today. Conversation skills are very important. Practice every day. Start with small talk, ask questions, listen carefully, and use simple words. Practice with friends, teachers, or AI. Share your ideas, ask opinions, and talk about feelings. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Repeat sentences, use new words, and practice different situations. Speak every day, and your conversations will improve step by step. Thank you for listening today. I hope you are excited to practice your conversations in English. Start today, even 5 minutes, and watch your confidence and conversation skills grow. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell. Every week we share tips to help you speak English better and more naturally. Now, here is my question for you. What is your favorite way to practice English conversation? Write your answer in the comments below. I will read them and maybe even answer you. See you next time, friends. And remember, speak, practice, and enjoy English.